Before 1960, Nigeria was under British colonial rule. The people toiled under foreign control, their lands, their labor, and their voices silenced. But deep within, a fire was burning, a dream of freedom. Great leaders rose, Nnamdi Azikiwe, Obafemi Awolowo, and Ahmadu Bello. They spoke boldly for unity, self-governance, and the right to decide their own destiny. As midnight approached on October 1, 1960, hearts raced. The Union Jack was lowered, and the green-white-green flag rose to the sky for the very first time. And so, Nigeria was born, strong, hopeful, and proud. A nation ready to chart its own path in history. From the struggle to the celebration, 1960 remains the heartbeat of Nigeria's story. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring stories on Sugar Stories.